All right, I want to do a quick video on sway bar bushing. So I have the weight off the sway bar here, the links. That's weight off is off of it. So nothing, no tension on it. And it's gonna be 12 millimeter. I soaked it in PB Blast, and so we're gonna ratchet that out and switch it out real quick. I figured I'd make a quick video about how to do it. All right, 12 millimeter for PB Blast. I'm gonna ratchet it out. Should be straightforward. Quick little video. If anybody wants to mess with this, this has already got 264,000 miles on it. Just in case somebody wants to mess with it. So here's the two Osu's tensors. Just be careful with that. Right above there. Bank 1, bank 2. Check out that video there. It was throwing us some error code. I forgot the error code, but I flashed across the screen that the error code was. So the brackets goes over it and take the rubber piece out. It should be split out right. See how it's split right back? Right there. Can actually move my one finger. Like that. Right there. I got a replacement part from Amazon. It comes with a bracket and new bushing. Slip that in there. That comes off. And slides right on, like so. Settle that in. Right about there. And over time, this will get softer just because the car will be cranking on it. There it is. And put some anti-seize on here. We'll snug this up to 16 foot-pounds. And you can see this is pretty much down. This is all the way down. So I'm confident that's going to be okay. So we're able to finish up and finish that wheel bushing down there. We're able to replace that, and hopefully that solves most of the issues as far as this car goes. So if you're joining me for the next video, I appreciate you watching the next video. And we did the whole front end in this car. So basically wheel bearing, axle, wheel hub assembly. We just did the sway bar bushings. Check me out, and I appreciate you watching these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.